In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Whisk for consistent AI art. We'll walk through the exact flow to set up a subject, place it in a scene, and lock in a style so your results stay consistent from one image to the next. Start by opening your browser and heading to labs.google/fx. On the page, select Launch Whisk, then choose Enter Tool to open the workspace. If the interface looks minimal at first, expand the sidebar so you can see all the controls clearly. You'll notice three key panels: subject, scene, and style. Think of them as who or what is in your image, where it is, and how it looks. Begin with subject. You can click the dice icon for an instant default subject or choose enter text to describe exactly what you want, like a character or object. There's also an option to upload an image if you prefer to guide Whisk visually. Type your prompt in the subject field and click generate. After it renders, you can refine by adjusting the wording and generating again. If a version works, download it to keep a record. If not, delete it and try a new variation. Small specific changes to your prompt often lead to more reliable improvements than rewriting everything. Next, open scene. Just like before, you can roll the dice for a quick starting point, upload an image, or click enter text to describe the environment, add your scene prompt and click generate. Review the output, then tweak and regenerate as needed. Stay consistent with important details, lighting, time of day, or key props, so your subject and scene will blend naturally later. Download good options or delete and iterate if you're still exploring. When you're happy with both, use the forward arrow to combine your subject and scene. If the merge doesn't quite land, simply regenerate until the composition feels right. Now, move to style. You can randomize with the dice, upload a reference, or click enter text to define the aesthetic you want. Anything from realistic photography to illustrative looks. Type your style prompt and click generate. As before, adjust wording to dial in texture, color, or mood. You can download versions you like or delete and try again. Finally, click the forward arrow to apply your chosen style to the combined subject and scene. This is where consistency shines. Matching phrasing across subject, scene, and style helps Whisk deliver cohesive, repeatable results. Keep your best outputs and you're set.